Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going on a night point of view drive with this car, the new Kia Sorento, and as you can see we have the gorgeous design on the front, the new grille and the new bonnet, as well as the headlights that have been changed, and I really love this shape. I think it gives it strong appearance on the road. The bumper has also been redesigned, and I think that the black color really suits this car. Now, of course, you have other options as well. Here from the side, 4 meters, 81.5 centimeters is the length of the car, and we have the 20-inch wheels on this particular model. This is the diesel version. I will talk more about the powertrain options and everything else a bit later on. But now let me just show you here from the rear, where you can see the new beautiful taillights. Look at this. Look at the lighting signature. I mean, the attention to details is amazing. The stoplight here also going all the way from one side to another. I think really it looks amazing. And now let me unlock the car once again so that you can see the lighting signature once again. Beautiful. Now you can open the tailgate here by pressing the key on the button. There we go, loads of room, and of course this car is available also as a 7-seat version. So in Croatia it will be either 5-seater or 7-seater, and on global markets there's also an option of 6-seat variant. And yeah, well, those are the options. Tell me in the comments what would be your choice. You can close the tailgate here, and you can also do it with the key. And yeah, if you want to open it, you can also open it here. So now we are ready to go on a nice, relaxed night point of view test drive. So I think you will really enjoy this one. All right, then, this is the view from driver's perspective. Let's start the car. And we have the beautiful layout here in front of us. And this is the very cool gear selector, and if you put it to reverse it actually vibrates, and also it becomes red, so that's very cool. You have the 360 view as well as the very good cameras, as you can see here, front one. And yeah, now we are ready to go. So the model in our video has got a diesel engine, 2.2 liter diesel with 194 horsepower and 440 Newton meters of torque. So really nice numbers, and 9.5 seconds is the time to reach 100. And there are other options as well. You can go for the hybrid and plug-in hybrid, but in Croatia they will be available a bit later on. So for now we have this diesel version, and the car has just been launched on the market. And yeah, in Croatia also we have the 4-wheel drive as standard. So this is the 4-wheel drive version, and then in global markets the diesel also will be available as a front-wheel drive car, but here again 4-wheel drive for the diesel. So really a great package. You know, you have 4x4 8-speed automatic transmission, so this is the 8-speed DCT dual clutch. And yeah, well, definitely such a nice car, and I think you will enjoy this night drive. So soon we will depart this rather big garage, and you can see the layout here in front of us is so nice with the dual screens, 12.3-inch ones here in front of us, and the 12.3-inch one on the middle, in the middle. So the main touchscreen with the new infotainment system. And when you turn on the indicator, you have the blind spot view assist. And here also you can use, for example, this, which can be very useful as well. All right, so we are good to go. And look at this. Also, for example, when parking, you can turn this on and then see where your wheel is, so that you don't curb those beautiful wheels. and the drive is very nice and smooth. You have different driving modes available: normal, eco, sport and smart. Also you can see the beautiful ambient lights. You can change the color. I will do that next time it will be stationary. And once again, blind spot view monitor is very cool. We also have the 10-inch head-up display. And yeah, well, this car is really packed with technology, loads of safety systems, and also very nice, impressive new infotainment system. You can have this split screen, or you can have the full screen, depending on what you prefer. And there are also different clocks available, as you can see here. And I really love this new look. I think the car looks very robust and yeah, definitely strong appearance on the road. And now this is very helpful. The layout here with the massive console in the middle here, and also I can tell you that there's so much space in the car for both the driver and the occupants at the rear. And again, you can have it also as a 7-seater. And this panel here is very cool because you can use it for different things. So now, for example, it is used for the AC, so you adjust the air blower, and then you have the physical knob here. So the passenger has one as well, you can sync it too. And then if you press this, now you have a few shortcuts here: home, map, search, seek, track, and media, as well as the button that you can adjust by yourself depending on what you use often. So yeah, very easy to operate. And yeah, here we have also the heated and cooled seats on this particular model, and the blind spot assist as well. Now various systems can be configured, of course. You can then adjust how you want to use them. But I think the ride itself is so smooth. And tell me in the comments, what are your first impressions? How do you like the layout here? And yeah, I can tell you that I'm really enjoying this drive. And this car also has the panoramic sunroof, so you can open it and enjoy, especially on days like this. So it's finally getting warmer, and yeah, 18 degrees outside, which is very nice. Now you can see the ambient lights more clearly, and this is illuminated as well with a very cool pattern in the doors. And here is where you can change the ambient light color. So for example, the red one looks really cool, and there are multiple choices, actually 64 different colors available here, because you have this individual setup. And then you can adjust it by yourself. And the blue one is for sure my favorite. Here you also have the wireless charging pad, and this whole section can be closed, and then press it again to open it. And in sport mode, you have even better throttle response, and of course different dials that you already saw. And let me also show you the view here. So when you change the gears with the pedals here, it's such a cool view, and it's actually pretty fun to change it that way. And let me also show you this. So the digital rear view mirror, which is very cool, and it's nice that you have this option, so either the camera or the standard mirror. But I think this is really good, and actually you get used to it really quickly. Alright guys, so that was the night point of view drive with the new Kia Sorento. I hope that you enjoyed the drive just like I did. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next one. Bye bye.